Yo, this shorty like, whoa, and I got to have her. Girl, I got a crush on you. What's your name, baby?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're going to be doing a deep conditioning. A lot of people ask me, you know, how do I deep condition my hair and all that. I'm going to be honest with you. I used to do, when I was transitioning to try to get my curls back, I deep conditioned probably every week when I wash my hair. However, when I was transitioning, trying to get my hair back to not being so fried and back to the curly stage, I deep conditioned probably every week. However, since my hair has transitioned and I just have a lot going on in my life, so I really haven't deep conditioned since I believe September, so it's been a while. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now because I am also having surgery next month, brain surgery, and a part of my head has to be shaved, so I'm going to have to straighten my hair. So I want to make sure it's really conditioned before then, just because I want my curls to come back after, you know, I have my surgery and everything. I would like my hair to still be pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I do to deep condition. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Thanks for watching. I have already washed my hair. I didn't condition it though because, like I said, I'm getting ready to deep condition it now. I'm just taking it down out of the clips. It's still damp a little bit. I was running around. So it's kind of dried out, and I'm very tender-headed, so y'all might see me making faces and all that because see, like, I just can't handle that. This is why I only go to the beauty shop when I have to. So this right here is a water bottle. However, I put a little castor oil in it. That's why you see a little discolor, and it's all the way up at the top now because I let it sit for a little bit. But I put the castor oil in just to make sure that my hair is not really so dry. Like, I need some oil in my hair since these winter months is drying my hair out. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this in my hair to re-wet it, and just, it has a little oil in it, like I said. And to deep condition my hair, I'm going to be using the coconut cream, or the Auntie Jackie's coconut deep conditioning cream. Okay, I was trying to get it to focus, sorry. So I'm just gonna spray it down a little bit with this because it's kind of dried out. And I have my wide tooth comb here, so I just go ahead and detangle my hair. Like I said, I'm tender-headed, so you're going to be seeing me making faces and holding my hair really tight so I don't have to feel that crap.
It hurts.
So, yeah. It's tangled up because I had it in a ponytail all week from that wash and go from my last video. I don't be wearing my hair all cute during the week. Monday through Friday, I'm pretty ugly, sis. Like, I don't do my hair. I put it back in a ponytail and go to work, and that's it. So yeah, it's pretty tangled up. See, it's dry at the ends. So just gonna go ahead and spray my ends and then get right to it with the conditioner. So what I'm gonna do is take a little bit, probably like, I want it covered. I want to make sure my hair is nice and conditioned, like I said, because I have to straighten it. So I know they say you're supposed to use a dime amount on your whole head, but like, what? I mean, yeah, if you got like the Holly Berry pixie cut, but when you have hair, a dime amount ain't gonna do nothing but soak right up, disappear like the Cookie Monster. Okay. So yeah, so I'm just making sure that it's all the way through, and then gonna recomb it out. I got my mirror down in front of me, so that's why I'm looking down. And you might hear the fan in the background. That's the heat that just cut on. So yeah. So this part right here, if you're new here, you probably never heard me talk about that. I had brain surgery a year ago, and yes, unfortunately, I have to have it again. I had it October of 18, and this side of my head was shaved completely bald, and this is the regrowth. So that's why this part is a little short. I don't want you to think it's like breakage or anything, you know, because it's not. It's just my sad ass life. So yeah. And this is still really tender, so I don't comb that piece as much.
Because it hurts, sis. I keep saying sis. Is dudes watching this too?
Okay guys, sorry to leave you out. If you're watching this, you know, y'all might want to deep condition y'all hair too. So let me speak to y'all too. This is for both of y'all. So yeah, just gonna get a little bit here. This part I only put a little bit on because it's shorter than most of my hair, but yeah. But I really am kind of sad that it's not growing back as fast as I thought. Yeah, it's a lot of regrowth. It is. I guess I'm being selfish because it could be shorter. So yeah, it did grow back a lot, but not as long as I wanted to. I mean, it might sound selfish, but who wants to get their hair shaved off if they don't have to? You know, this was not by choice. This was an unfortunate circumstance for me that I totally did not expect. So kind of made me sad. I couldn't wear my hair in a bun for damn near like 7 months, and I'm really a bun wearer throughout the week, especially like I said, because I don't do my hair when I go to work. So I'm just going to twist this. Each section that I do, I'm going to twist it, but I'm also going to go back over it with the conditioner just to make sure it's really deep conditioned. So, and then throughout the rest of the video, you're probably going to see me, you know me, a little dance here and there because I'm going to be listening to music while I get this done. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. Repeat the process the whole way around. And I'll be back with you in a minute. See ya. Go back over my hair with my comb and make sure it's all detangled. And then do my edges. Gotta make sure them edges is are conditioned, sis, because you know I don't want my edges falling out. I'm not trying to be looking like Tweety Bird. I have a big forehead, okay? So yeah, go ahead and massage my scalp right here. Make sure I have enough conditioner on my edges. Ooh, that feels really good. So yeah, then I'm just gonna take a big gulp and go back over my hair. And a little bit more for my ends, just to make sure they got touched, because sis needs a trim. Okay. Then I just separate my hair in two and twist it up for about an hour. Just put some more on my ends because these feel really dry. But like I said, I haven't deep conditioned my hair since September. That's sad, and that's backwards, because wintertime is when you really should be deep conditioning. If you need to transition, wintertime is when you really should be deep conditioning. So just to let you know that. I mean, you should be doing it all the time, but wintertime, because of the dry months, yeah. So that was a little too much on that last sculpt. So yeah, so I'm just gonna walk around right now looking like Snoop Dogg for about an hour, and then I'm gonna come back and style my hair. But I just wanted to show you guys like my deep conditioning routine is really important. If you're transitioning, trying to get your curls back to its natural state, you need to deep condition, sis, at least once a week. That really helped my hair. I'm gonna do a natural hair journey video really soon, just to show you like how damaged my hair was from the flat irons. I used to wear my hair, you know, in the big pretty curls and just bone straight, and that really damaged my hair, especially up here. My shit was so stringy and I hated it. So yeah, it's really important to deep condition, sis. And while you're all here, I just want to throw in and say thank you for coming back. Thank you for watching my video. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, sis. Comment and like down below, and also comment and let me know what you do to deep condition your hair. I can maybe learn something from you guys. This is just what I do. This is not a standard. This is just simply what I do to make sure my hair is conditioned and it feels really good and moisturized. And dudes, if you're watching also, I don't think I should call you guys dolls. So what about like Kens? I'm gonna call y'all Kens, you know, like Barbie and Ken. My Ken dolls. What's up, Ken dolls? Okay, so hey, dolls and Kens, I like that. Welcome to the doll house. I can't wait for my community to grow. I hope you subscribe while you're here, and be sure to like and comment and even share with your friends if they're wanting to learn and go back to their natural state. I can't say that it helped them, but it definitely helped me, because boy, when you see my hair from before, my shit was through. But anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. So this is my after effect from my deep conditioning, and listen, my hair is so soft and smooth. It's still really wet. I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle it so I can style it, but I'm gonna save the styling for another video. But yeah, this is super duper soft, and I actually slept with the deep conditioner in overnight. I was tired. I did not feel like coming to do this, combing my hair out and all that last night. So it was pretty late when I recorded that video. It was about 10 o'clock, I think. And then, you know, as the night went by, I watched a movie, and that was that. But see how easy my hair is? My hair is always tangled unless it has conditioner in it when it's wet. So yeah, if you can see, the combing out is super smooth. So yeah, deep condition, sis, is very important. I know I said I was slacking doing that, but you know, I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. So it's a little tangle back there. Ew. But see how much easier it is compared to when I first washed my hair in the beginning of this video, and how hard it was for me to detangle. This is really smooth. It's still dripping because I just rinsed it out. But yeah, see, it's nice and soft and silky. Feels like, you know, that Hawaiian silky hair people be buying, but it's mine. So yeah. And that is it for now. And before we go, I just want to say, make sure you subscribe if you're new here, and if you're not, thank you for coming back. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.